Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about HTML computer code elements. Okay. So HTML contains several elements for defining user input and computer code. Okay. Now we are already done with the KBD, which is keyboard input. Okay. And in this video we will talk about one of the tag, which is code, and one more tag, which is SAMP, which is sample output, actually you can say. Okay, so first we will start with the code tag. Okay, so what is the meaning of HTML code tag? It is used to define a piece of computer code, that is the first thing. And the content inside this code tag will be displayed in browser's default monospace font. So first of all, we will check the output of this, actually. Control S. Okay, so we are getting computer code because of this H2, and we are getting paragraph because of this some programming code. But we are getting x equal to 5, y equal to 6, and z equal to x plus y. Two things. One, we are getting everything in the same line. That is the first point, because here you all can see it is on different line. See. And second thing, when you are comparing the font, so it is in the different font, that is browser default monospace font. And why they are coming on same line? Because here you will not find any what you can say, line breaks or something. And because we are using code tag, and to do that line break, okay, we can use one more tag before the code, which is nothing but the pre-formatted text. That means if I write PRE, that is the start of pre-formatted, and close, PRE close. Now control S. Okay, and inside this pre I have this code tag. Okay, so now we will check the output. See, now we are getting x equal to 5 first line, y equal to 6 second line, z equal to x plus y on the next line. And then same way we can have a var, that is nothing but what, variables. Like HTML var element is used to define a variable in a programming, or you can say in a mathematical expression. So how you can declare? So say very simple. Suppose somewhere outside of this only I am writing, actually. Suppose if I write instead of this, okay, we'll keep that computer code heading, everything will keep as it is only. Suppose you have a paragraph. Okay, in that paragraph the area of circle is, okay, whatever. Like for example, we know area of circle or anything if I want to write, but we'll use variable tag var, then we'll define one variable, then close of var. Okay, then after that again we will start for example var again, and we will write suppose I'm writing something else also before that. Suppose x, and then I will write var start, then h, then again close of var. Okay, and then again close of p. Okay, so we'll check the output of this also very quickly. See, it is showing the area of circle is, and you all can see it is showing in the form of italic. Okay, so obviously using that where tag, we can have a variable name in the form of what, italic format. Okay, and you all can see the difference between this normal font and this one. Okay, so next thing is uh, sample, or SAMP, or you can say sample output. That is also similar to this what you can say, code, and this thing, what you can say, var. That means SAMP or sample element, it is used to define the sample output from a computer program. Suppose you have a paragraph, the area of circle is, okay, and then if I write sample, for example tag SAMP, Okay, and message is file not found or something like this, suppose output, and then close of SAM. Okay, control S. So let's check the output of this also. See, the area of circle is a normal font, but you all can check file not found is the browser's default monospace font. So this is all about the computer code. That means VAR, variable SAMP, that is the sample. Keyboard, actually KBD, we are already done with that. And code. And then obviously, suppose you want that thing in the proper format as it is, only then pre-formatted text, that is PRE. So this is all about computer code. Thank you everyone.